Wales, over the centuries, knew the power of the Spirit. Revival after revival. Anne Griffiths was from our area, for Dolwarvach was close to Pantglas, our farm, and she is buried in the same village, LLanfihangel-yng-Ngwynfa, as my parents and grandparents. LLanfihangel-yng-Ngwynfa means the Church of St. Michael in Paradise, and the name of our house in Cardiff was Ngwynfa, Paradise. She was converted at Pendrave, the chapel where I used to go to Sunday school and service quite often in Wele'n. One day, while doing theology in Bangor, I was present at a powerful time of prayer among the students, and one who had been invited had great gifts, and he called me out, and he could see things, and it hit me how what he said was probably true. I had missed out on power. The light of Achs can burn across the years, and without stole or surplus shrive the heart that basks in these old rays. For as it nears the ancient shining, many fears depart, and limbs and sounds set free can tell a tale that saints and hermits told with but the mind. For well the walls of prayer hid from this gale the practiced soul full formed to grind and grind. That there should be a knowledge e'en now known in this our time, in this our little land, in this small space, for this name, this my own, and that a saint of God should bid me stand beneath the waiting power and let it fall. This is to know the sadness of it all.